Yes, good morning. Good morning, all of you. Yes,
Morning, ma'am.
yes, all of
Morning,
you.
ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, all of you switch on your videos. Yes, okay. So yesterday, we studied about the word problems, isn't it? How to frame equations for the word problems. And did you all understand that, children? Word problems we started, no? Or going to start?
Going to
I
start.
have completed in other 7th standard word problems based on. We have done it already.
Yeah.
That I know. That is not solving it. We to frame the equations from sentences. You already know that, isn't it? In the
Yes,
first
ma'am.
part of the chapter, we have completed that. How to frame equations from a sentence. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll show you. Then you will remember. Listen. See this type of problems. Add 4 to 8 times. Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. You can see now. Set up equations and solve them. Can you see properly? I'll zoom
Yes,
it.
ma'am, we can.
I'll zoom it. Now you can see. I hope you can see now. Yes. Look at this, children. Add set up equations and solve them to find the unknown numbers in the following cases. Add 4 to 8 times a number, you get 60.
4x.
Yes, come on. Who is saying? Yahan. Yes, Yahan, try what equation you will give for that. Add 4 to 8 times a number. So
Yes.
first step is to assign assign a letter for the unknown. Okay, assign a letter for the unknown. It can be any letter X, Y, Z, or A, or B, or C, any small letter. So which letter you prefer?
4x.
X. Okay, so let the number be, X. So Ehan, what are you giving? What is the equation? Tell me. What is the equation you are going to give?
4x plus 8 is equal to
Okay, you are saying 4x plus
60.
4x. Ehan, come on.
Plus
No, say once
4x
more.
plus
I didn't hear.
8. 4x plus
And
8
listen, you
is
have to
equal to
read it
60.
carefully. You have to read it properly. What is the question? Add 4 to what? 8 times a number.
Yeah.
You
4x
get 6.
equal to
So what is the equation? Jahan, what is the equation? You told?
4x is equal
You
to,
told the 4x plus?
I told 4x plus
Read the
8.
question carefully. Once more. Jahan, read it carefully once more.
Ma'am, is it 4 plus 8x?
Read. First, what you have to do is read it properly and understand what is given. Jahan, read it properly. I'll read once more. Add 4 to 8 times a number. You will get 60. So how you will write? Come on.
4
Yes.
plus 8.
4 plus
8.
8.
8x
8x
is equal to 60.
60. Correct. You should read it. As soon as you get the sentence, if you start writing the equation, you will go wrong. Read it carefully. Read it like what I have read. Okay.
Ma'am, I told this.
What is said? Add 4. Then you should ask yourself, to what? To 8 times a number. So that number, let it be x. So 8 times that number means 8x. So 4 plus 8x or 8x plus 4. So write it properly. To 8x, 4 is added. That is equal to 60. Now you can solve it and find out the answer. Come on.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes,
All of you solve it and find out the answer, children. Yes, Nivedita, you got the answer?
Ma'am, I got the second answer and the final answer as well.
Okay. Tell me. What is the final answer? X is the value of
Final,
X. Is
the
the final
value
answer.
of X equals 7.
X equals 7 is the answer you got. Okay. Come on. Others, find out the answer. All of you find out the answer. Let me check how many are getting correct answers. Yes, Adidev, did you get it? Adidev? Adidev is there, no?
Yes.
Yes, come on. We'll do it. Come on. Steps, first step. Adidev, what is the first step? Which number you will remove from there? Which transpose from there?
Ma'am,
Which number you will transpose, which is lying separate from the variable? Totally, which is lying separate from the variable, you transpose it first. Which number you will transpose?
Ma'am, 8.
Which number you can transpose?
4.
4, because 8 is
4.
multiplied to x and it is also added with 4. You cannot simply separate it. Okay. So 4 you can transpose. So you will get 8x is equal to 60 minus 4.
4.
8x is equal to 60 minus 4 is
56.
56. So x is what?
X equals 56 by 8.
56 by 8 is
So
equal
we
to
get
7.
7.
7.
So we got x is equal to 7.
7.
Okay. If you want, you can cross check with the equation, children. You got x is equal to 7 and you can check whether the answer you got is correct or not. Okay. X is equal to 7 you got. You simply put 7 here in the place of x. So 8 into 7. 8x means 8 into 7. 8 into 7, 56. 56 plus 4. You will get 60 on the left hand side. So right hand side is equal to left hand side, isn't it? Answer is correct. Okay. Okay, second question. Hanna, can you try? Hanna was absent yesterday. Huh? Hanna, you were absent yesterday. I didn't see you. Why? What happened?
Yesterday, the board number was given to me at it was 12, so I entered it. Then no one opened the board meeting.
No. 12 was on. I have taken all the periods yesterday. All periods were there yesterday.
It was happened to me and my sister. I was having this class at same time, so we couldn't enter any of the meeting boards.
That I don't know. I didn't find you. No. Oh, okay. This one, second one. 1/5 of a number minus 4 gives 3. Hanna, come on, try.
1 by 5.
1 by 5.
Read carefully. 1/5 of what? Of a number. Okay. 1/5 of a number. Minus 4. So 4 is subtracted from that number, isn't it? 1/5 of a number minus 4 gives 3. How will you write it? Equation. You can, first step is to suppose, let the number be x or let the number be y, like that. So come on.
X.
Yeah, okay, let the number be x. Let the number be x. Yes. Now, what is the equation?
X by 5.
X by 5. 1/5 of x, isn't it? Children, 1/5 of x. That is, you can write it as 1 by 5 into x. Of means into. So, it will become x by 5. 1 into x, x by 5. So, you can write x by 5 there. So, x by 5, then
Minus 4.
4 gives 3. So, X by 5 minus 4. Anna.
Yes, ma'am.
So what will you write there? Gives 3. So what is the sign using there? What will you write there? It is an equation, isn't it? So x minus 5, x by 5 minus 4 gives 3.
3
So
equal
to 3.
3.
Now you solve it. X by 5 minus 4 gives 3. Yes, Aradhya? Come on. Which number you will separate or transpose first?
4.
4. Because it is totally apart from that variable, isn't it? So we will transpose 4 to this side. So x by 5 on the left hand side is equal to 3 is already there. You cannot shift it. 3 is there. Then 4 you shift to the right side. So what will happen? 3
plus 4.
4. What is the sign of 4 there?
Minus.
So when it is transposed to the right side, it will become plus 4. Okay. Now we can write x by 5 is equal to 3 plus 4 is
7.
7. So x by 5 is equal to 7. So what is x, Aradhya? Come on. What is x then?
7.
It is denominator on the left
5.
side. It is denominator on the left side. It is divided on the left side. So it is the divisor in the left side. So it will become multiplication. So it is numerator, isn't it? This is denominator on left side will become numerator. So you have to multiply. So what will be your answer?
35.
7 into 5 is equal to 35. So you got the answer as 35, isn't it? Answer x is equal to 35 is the answer. If you want, you can cross check with the answer. Isn't it? 35. You can put 35 here, children, in the place of x. 35. 35 by 5, you know it is 7. Isn't it? 35 by 5, 7. 7 minus 4 is 3.
3.
Isn't it? So left hand side and right hand side are same. So your answer is correct. X by 5 minus 4 is equal to 3. And you got x is equal to 35. Clear? Yes. Is it
Yes,
clear
ma'am.
to you? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Come on. Abhinav Sergeant, read the next question. Abhinav Sergeant, you read next question. This
If I take 3/4 of a number and add 3 to it, I get 21.
Yes. Can you frame an equation for that?
X. 3 by 4 x.
If I take 3/4 of a number, so let the number be, we can change it. Let the number be y. Let the number be y. Be y. Okay. Now tell me the equation, Anlin. Sorry, who was speaking to me? Abhinav Sergeant, no? Abhinav, come on.
Ma'am,
Yes, correct.
3 4x. Ma'am, 3 by 4x.
X or y. 3 by 4 y we can take now. Let it be a change. 3 by 4 y.
3 by 4 y plus 3.
Very good. Plus 3
is equal to 21.
21. Good. Isn't it? Okay. Now you can solve it. Yes, Vivian? Come on. Vivian?
Yes, ma'am.
Solve it. Which number you will take to the right side? I am not asking again. You have to solve it now.
Ma'am.
Several times we have solved a lot of problems now. Yeah.
Ma'am, 3. We should take 3.
3. 3 to the right side. So,
yes,
3 left side, 3 by 4 y is equal to 21 minus plus here, no? So, minus.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, what? Next step?
Ma'am, we get 18 as answer.
3 by 4y is equal to 18.
Ma'am,
Now what to do? Here 3 by 4y it is given. So which you can take that fraction to the right side, isn't it?
yes, ma'am.
Yes. So it will become what?
3 by 4 of 18.
No. 3 by 4 it is on the left side. So when you transpose to the
Ma'am,
right
it
side.
will be multiplication.
So what to write?
Into
y is equal to 18
into 3 by 4.
Is it 3 by 4? Numerator
into
becomes
4.
denominator. Denominator becomes numerator.
Okay, ma'am.
When you
4.
transpose. So
4.
18 into
4. 18 into 4.
4 only?
4 by 3.
4 by 3. What are you? See, this number we are transposing. This
Yes, ma'am, we have
fraction
to
we are
find the
transposing to the
reciprocal.
right side. So it will become 4 by 3.
Reciprocal.
Yeah, reciprocal. Take the reciprocal and multiply. That's all. Okay, when it is a fraction, but if it is added, if it is 3 by 4 plus y, when you shift to the right side, it will become minus 3 by 4 only. Okay, because it is multiplication here, is multiplied here. We shift to the right side. So we'll take the reciprocal because, you know, if it is multiplied on left side, it will be changing to the denominator on the other side. So 3 by 4 becomes 4 by 3 when you transpose as it is multiplied. So what is the answer now? Vivian, final answer?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we should multiply.
No, don't go for multiplying. This is, I told you, no, in fraction, there are easy methods. 18 is divisible by 3, no, denominator.
Yes, ma'am.
So 3 6 are 18, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So you what is the answer now? Simply multiply the numerators.
60.
6 into 4.
6 into 4. 6 into 4 equals to 24.
24. So answer is 24. Isn't it? X is equal to, or y, sorry, not x, y. Y is equal to 24 is your answer. Children, understood? So we get y is equal to 24 as answer. Okay. All of you got this answer? If any doubt is there, please ask me. Don't keep doubt in your mind. If you have any doubts, you have to clear it now, because this type of problems, when we do, you may have doubt. Any problem in this equation? Anybody wants any more explanation, children? Tell me. What about Adi Ishwar? Are you present? Adi Ishwar. If you are not responding, I'll mark absent, because I don't want your name alone here. Okay, next problem. Next one, come on, next question, children. This problem you try. When I subtract 11 from twice a number, the result was 15. Yes. Fayaz Mohammed, are you present? Rawls and Francis, are you present? Rawls?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, come on, try this question. When I subtracted, read it first.
When I subtracted 11 from twice a number, the result was 15.
Yes. Can you formulate it? Can you put it in the form of an equation? No. Read once more. Once more you read.
When I subtracted 11 from twice, the result was 15.
So, when I subtracted 11 from what?
Twice a number.
Twice a number. From twice a number. Isn't it? From what? From twice a number. So which number should come first? 11 or twice a number should come first?
Twice a number.
Twice a number should come first because it is from that number only 11 is subtracted. Isn't it? So how will you write the equation?
Y.
Okay, let the number be y. According to him, let the number be y. Yes.
Y minus
Is it y
11.
alone? It is twice a number. Twice a number.
11y.
It is 2 times a number. Isn't it? 11 is subtracted from twice a number. Means 2 times a number. So,
Y minus 11 is equal to
I am
15.
asking you simply it is y. 2
11
times
y.
a number it is a one number is y.
11y.
So,
11y.
read it, my dear. What it is 11 is subtracted. Isn't it? 11 is subtracted from what?
Twice a number.
Twice a number. So that twice a number, how will you represent? A number you represented by y. So twice a number, how will you represent?
2.
And can you tell again?
That is a number. Number you suppose let the number be y. But it is given 11 is subtracted from twice a number. That means 2 times a number. So first 2 times that number should come, isn't it? So 2 times that number, how will you represent?
2y.
2x. That means here it is y, so we can write 2y. 2y. From 2y, 11 is subtracted.
Minus.
So minus
11
11, then
equal to 15.
equal to 15. Correct. Okay. So 2y minus 11 is equal to 15. Okay, good. Now, can you solve it? Rolls. Rolls
2y minus 11
is equal to 15. So which number you have to transpose? No, one number you have to transpose. Which one you will transpose? Which number you will transpose to the right side? We have done so many problems now. We have done lot of problems.
Ma'am, can I say?
Wait. Rolls, come on.
Ma'am, I came late because
That is why. See which number is lying separately. You don't be late. You will not understand anything in this chapter if you are late and all. See the number which is standing alone. 2y is 2 is multiplied by y. So we cannot transpose this. We will take this one to the right side. Isn't it? Yes. Come on, Harin. Answer it. Listen, Rolls, you listen. Okay. We will shift.
Yeah, we will shift and then 15 plus
11. 15 plus 11. Yes. 15 plus 11. 2y is equal to 26.
56.
So y is equal to how much?
26 by 2.
26 by 2. So answer is
13.
13. Okay. Y is equal to 13 you will get. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Now next, Allah Safwan, read this question. This type of question used to appear in all the competitive exams, children, in your higher classes, not only 8, 9, 10. When you go for a competitive exam like staff selection or bank test or any type of competitive exams in your future, this type of questions used to appear. Okay. So just read it. Next question. Allah Safwan.
Yes, ma'am.
Read that question.
Munna subtract thrice the numbers of notebooks he has from 50. He finds the result to be 8.
Munna subtracts what? Thrice a number
3
of notebooks she has. Munna subtracts thrice the number of notebooks he has from what? From 50. Okay. He finds the result to be 8. How will you write it?
3x minus 30.
1 minute. Tell me.
3x minus 30 equals 8.
3x minus
30 equals 8.
30, it is not there. It is 50 given, no? Read the question once more, Al-Safwan. Read it once more. What is given? Munna subtracts thrice the number of books he has from what?
50.
50. From 50 he is subtracting. So how will be the equation?
3x minus 50.
No. It is that 3x is subtracted from 50. So it will be
50 minus 3.
50 minus 3x equals how much? 8. Okay. So you solve it for the next period. You have one more period today, no? So by that time you solve it. Okay. I'll stop now. My time is up. I have to take attendance. Solve it now. Now you solve it and tell me the answer. Write down the equation. You know the equation. Now tell me the attendance I'm taking, children. Okay. So see you in the next period.